Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. If your dishwasher door isn't closing properly, then it could be a faulty door latch or a bent door strike. In this episode, I'll show you how to access and replace them. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver, pliers, and an adjustable wrench. You might also need channel lock pliers and a socket set. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. This will bring up a model breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed on the side. First, shut off the breaker to disconnect the power. In some cases, you can unplug the dishwasher. Now shut off the water supply valve. This should be located under the sink. It's also a good idea to wear cut-resistant gloves, as there can be some sharp edges. Open the door and unscrew the mounting brackets. Now slide the dishwasher slightly forward. Remove the mounting screws. Now remove the door strike. If the plate is damaged or bent, then it's best to install a new one. Align the new door strike. Now, tighten the screws. Next, check the alignment to make sure the door is able to close. Slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Now tighten the screws to secure the mounting brackets. First, open the door. Now remove each of the mounting screws on the inner panel. There might be several larger screws. Remember where they go, as using the wrong screw in the wrong hole can damage the mount. Now remove the outer panel. The user control board and door latch are often located in an upper module. Now remove the mounting screws. Tilt the panel forward and disconnect the wire harness. And remove the module. First, disconnect the wires. Unscrew the door latch from the mount. In some models, you might need to release a retaining tab. Now remove the latch. Align the new door latch into the mount. Next, tighten any mounting screws. Now reconnect the wires. Reconnect the wire harness. Next, align the control module and make sure that the mounting holes line up. Now, tighten the screws. Slide the outer panel onto the mount. Make sure to align the edges or the holes will not line up. Now, tighten the screws. Turn on the water supply. Next, reconnect the power. Now it's best to test the dishwasher to see if it's working properly. You can start a cycle even without any dishes or detergent. If this works, then cancel the cycle and run a full load of dishes. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our AMRE Supply branches. Thanks for watching.